No worries.
We're live. We're live. We're live.
That's awesome.
So I don't know, man. Trying to connect to the. Oh, perfect. We got the DX feed. Hey, man, that's awesome.
Oh, the X feed is good, pretty good actually.
Yeah, it's cheap.
I don't know. I was thinking about deep charts, but I don't know how slow is it if it because our Sierra chart is the best to be honest with you. You know, Sierra chart's so good, man. It's light. It uses the C++ language, which is quite light actually. What I'm suffering from actually on NinjaTrader is actually lots of lagging, man. Lots of lags. It's slowing up so much.
Really? On NinjaTrader.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Well, by the
When
way,
you have
if
the order
everybody's
flow
joining,
tools.
uh,
Oh, sorry, man.
we got we got John here. You're already ready to go, man. That's why I love that you're here as well.
I'm not. I'm trying to find the link for your YouTube channel. I'm like, hold on. I was here. I'm just gonna turn the volume off so I can see what you're seeing on your screen as well.
Yeah. It was. Oh gosh, I didn't even save the. I hope it's the.
Oh wow, look at it. I want to see. Well, I'm now fascinated seeing looking at us. That's all.
Yeah, I think I can hear yourself.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I turned off the volume, bro.
Cool. Cool.
It looks pretty cool, man.
I think maybe the title is wrong. Let me just check. No, the date is right. Yep.
Are we still trading gold?
We're trading. I mean, primarily NQ, man. Primarily NQ today.
Let's see what's gonna happen with this. It's either break to the downside and
Or
becomes another series of 5 way, which I believe it's gonna do first, or it might go up, reject. Let's see. Just wait.
we're seeing a lot of. I'm on the 5 minute time frame. Cool. I
On the
kind of
1 minute.
don't want the chart that I have currently, man. So let's go to the heat map, shall we?
Yeah.
Because
Oh, quick,
that's
man.
really the
This
highlight.
is insane. How you find? Is it like slow running or really good?
Yeah. It's really quick, man. No lag.
Look at
But
the laser beams. That's too much for the big trades. Probably you have to filter some of them.
oh man, I just like today since I'm just starting out, I'm not gonna really primarily, take. Wait, I think I can arrange it on the chart like this. Perfect. Okay, there we go. So now I still don't know if I want to get rid of this.
Oh, this is a. I have to play with the settings a little bit just to see.
Yeah. Okay.
I would say definitely we going a little bit short. Look at the iron candle. You never know, man. You never know. This thing is unpredictable. I call it a Ferrari. IQ is a
Well,
Ferrari when
it is a Ferrari. Yeah, for sure, man. If
Have you noticed it on the heat wave how it moves so quick and ES is like a turtle compared to it?
100%. Yeah, right now is the open, so obviously it's still in the range. So like if you look at the overall
Yeah,
move,
yeah.
right?
Still,
So
it can bounce from here. You just go
it
back
can
up.
still, yeah, the buyers can really still step in. I don't know. Now I'm already like kind of confused. What?
This is too quick, man. Man, if you
Yeah.
wanna eye this heat wave, by the time looking at your level, NQ was like, bye bye.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, probably
I mean,
see what happens.
it's still bouncing around. I haven't
Yeah,
even
so
yeah. So we'll just stay patient, man. So
we'll
anyway,
wait.
I
We'll wait.
like if people don't know, man, like John, man, you have done so many courses, man. You have so much knowledge
I've been through
Oh,
so much, and I simplified things as well. Oh, see, I told it might
yeah.
bounce from there.
Yeah. It did. Suddenly green bubbles. I actually don't like this chart. I don't even understand.
Bro, the heat wave for NQ is too much.
I'm not talking about the heat wave. I don't need the trade activity because We're not even gonna
Yeah, yeah.
trade on here. But yeah, I want this actually bigger.
Yep.
And
How would you customize that?
I yeah, I need to customize it because right now it's like I don't necessarily even need the bubbles. I kind of want to know where the
Just
orders,
liquidity word.
yeah, where the orders are. Right now it's just in this
It's too quick, man. It's too quick to see the orders.
yeah, it's
Like,
algorithms,
is there
man.
a way where we
This
can
is there,
actually change the?
there's no way that like real institution, I mean like real traders are clicking buy and sell on these. These are just algorithms like pop 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 trading because there's
Yeah,
no
yeah.
way you can like they can
That's why I couldn't keep my eye on it. Like, I think the best way is just to have bubbles on the NQ chart itself. Those big trades.
yeah, look, sellers are
You've seen Fabio's how he does it.
oh
Just
man. But he's like he's got the bro, is this delayed? It can't be delayed.
I'm just
I just
looking
got
comparing the
the
price.
oh bro, are you kidding me?
Is it late? Is late data fee? Uh, I can't even. It's going so quick. I think it's. I think so a little bit. Looking here is different. I think because the data feed on TradingView is different than the one on Atas. That's one of the reasons.
Expiration
Make
6/17,
It's the 9.
27.
Use the 9. It's September.
September 1, yeah. Yeah, I just bought that. But that's 2027, man. What the heck?
2026 September.
June 2026. I think that's the correct one, no? Okay. So, yeah, man, came all the way back up, man. Buyers
Yeah, like I said. Oh, I would. That's why I would say I would sit. I would do nothing
yeah.
during the open, like first 20, 30 minutes. See what's gonna happen.
Yeah, yeah, 100%. It's too early to say.
Wouldn't you want all these? Um, I mean, the screen on a heat wave, all of it colored like exactly similar to Bookmap. You don't want like blackness and all of a sudden these orders appearing. You want to see them beforehand.
Yeah. I mean,
The background.
okay, so that's
I'm definitely there's some way on how to do that.
maybe I'm
Definitely.
on the wrong connection. I think I need to disconnect. I don't I'll delete the sim.
This
I'll
market is
delete
going.
everything. By the way, I'll just delete everything except for the real connection because I don't even need the crypto. Screw that. Okay, now we can't go wrong because I only have one. How is it still okay? Sorry again, guys. We should be on June 2026, right? I still think so, yeah. But the current price is already at 500, so how am I at 200? Okay, man, that's kind of frustrating. Let me just check
Don't worry,
here.
you'll get your head around it somehow.
Yeah, let me pull up Trado. Trado bait. Yeah. So anyway, oh man, is NQ is breaking, huh?
Yeah, yeah.
Breaking to the upside, but it's also a bit too early to say.
We don't know. We're still waiting.
Could still wick
This
above.
whole this thing can reverse anytime.
Oh, 100%. Man, that looks like trash. Okay. Well, I'm just gonna take the trade here, but we're gonna actually analyze on Look, it wicked above.
That's why getting liquidity turning around. You never know.
This is kind of the area right now where it wants to, you know, where it wants to kind of figure out where it wants to go. And it's like between this, that's an ugly bar. Between this and this that's kind of the area right now.
You would
Above
wait a
it,
little bit and
above
see
it,
what
there's not
happens.
much volume. Yeah. And this book map, it's not right.
Yeah, the settings needs a bit to be changed.
Why am I still having this, man? That's the weird thing.
Oh, someone is saying in the chat, your data subscription does not seem to provide market depth. You only get 10 prices above and below. Yeah, that's true. Could be the trial.
It could be the
Is it?
trial. Yeah, from
Yeah.
ATAS. Yeah, I should get the premium one. Man, I was. It said like you can get the ultra for like 15. I mean for like 14 days, a free trial. It's so weird, man.
Let's see. Wait and see
Anyway, I
what
might
the
have to
market
like
does.
restart it and put it back again.
Yeah, do that.
So
That's fine.
yeah, I'll not the stream, but I mean just the
Atas.
yeah, because I just literally bought it, so it could just still be updating. Um, so I'll pull up the trade of it. Here we go. So I'll play around with this on the other screen. Yeah. So anyway, man, how's it been? How have you been, man?
Good, good. What about you? Everything is fine with you?
Yeah, yeah. I mean, I still gotta deal a little bit with the, you know,
Yeah.
with the thing, man. Yeah, it kind of sucks, man. Not gonna lie. With Mister German
Yep.
boy. So let's look at the. Did you got ATAS? Yes, man, Ellis, I did.
Oh no,
Yeah.
I haven't got it yet. I'm thinking about it. Just want something like doesn't freeze. It's just Ninja Trader been lately. I cleaned the actual I did a clean installation again and it worked for a bit. Then I thought because I had too many bar enabled, so I played with the settings still, especially with the footprint charts as well.
I think we just sweep this liquidity. It could potentially make a move down now, Nas.
Yep.
But let's see.
You never know with it.
You never know.
Still in the
Um,
range.
Somebody's asking Walter Bryan, can I make a call for NQ? Uh, it will be at 1 to 15
15.
RR.
That's crazy.
Okay, wait. Let's invite him into the Discord.
Yeah, yeah.
So let me see. It's in the Discord, and we can put up the voice chat. Yeah. Okay, wait. So I'm gonna switch the voice chat in the Discord. Yeah. Can you join that one?
Yeah, easy.
Cool.
Easy.
Okay. I think. Okay. So yeah, we're in the Discord voice chat now. In the Discord group, anybody can join. So whoever said that they got the 15 RR, man. Come and join, man. Come and join. You're more than welcome. I just posted it in the chat as well. Okay, looks like. Are you muted for some reason?
Me?
Oh no, I can hear you.
And then I'm here.
Yeah, you're here. You're here. Okay, cool.
That's a crazy call. 1 to 15 risk reward.
Yeah, I mean, hey, bro, you gotta back it up, man. You can't just be talking. Now you gotta cover up. 1 to 15, but I mean, it doesn't the with the footprint you can. I mean, it's really for scalpers, right? It's not really for how would you say, man?
Let's see.
It's not really for
Um,
day like swing trading because it moves so fast and you know what I mean.
yeah, yeah. Let's say the thing is still in a range. Let's see what happens. Anything can happen.
Yeah, I was tempted. I was tempted to go for a short
No,
there,
no,
but
just wait, wait, wait.
yeah,
Just wait.
of course, yeah.
It might break a bit to the upside or to the downside.
Oh,
Didn't
now,
decide.
dude, I know what I did. I instead of
What?
CME, I put equity index, so that's why I
Try
didn't.
that.
I
Try. Did
didn't
it
have
work
the
now?
right. Um, is it at 4? Yes, it is working now. Awesome, man. So we got the heat map. It is at the current price, as you can see, for 475, 472, whatever. So perfect, man. We got it working, man.
That's good. So it's
Awesome.
good to know. Even
Great stuff. It's not gonna tell us much though. I would want the cumulative delta as well on the screen. You know what? Like, let's just focus. I'm gonna put it over the gold
put the
price.
heat map off for now, like just to see in general.
Yeah, I think there's a little bit of a delay with the stream as well, but there might be a couple second delay. But okay, let's use cumulative delta too because then we can see maybe the delta is becoming. We can see if the sellers are becoming more aggressive because right now I'm tempted. I'm tempted, man. But obviously we could still be in that range and nothing can happen. So let's see. Now workspace says nope. What about the bigger move? What do you see?
Still, since you have an impulse down and then some correction, you would expect an impulse down. But let's see. But it could be that pullback a bit deeper, going higher.
Yevgeny, like the thing is the stream is a little bit delayed, so YouTube doesn't automatically like it's not going like straight to you. There's like a couple second delay, which kind of sucks with especially when Nasdaq is moving this fast. But it is everything is like in alignment. The price here is in alignment with the price I see on Tradeovate, and you know. So Yevgeny says heat map is useful to see where relatively large orders are sitting for a prolonged amount of time. Right now, man, I'm not seeing any orders for some reason, but it could just be my settings, man.
You're in the middle of nowhere now.
Yeah, I am. I don't see like maybe I need to zoom in. Okay, so there's some orders here, I guess, but like are
Let's
those like
wait. Let's wait
previous
for a
orders?
break, either above or below. Then
Yeah,
think about a trade.
yeah, of course, of course. We gotta stay patient. So I do want to get another chart open because we're not gonna trade gold. So we can have on this side of the screen we can actually have something else. No. Okay, chart. We're gonna do thank you. Perfect. And then what I need is I need like a cumulative delta, man. Volume, order flow. Yes, I found it, man. Okay.
Also, someone is
Oh
saying
yeah, yeah.
the heat map is not useful. See, he thinks it's the data feed. Probably has experience with
Oh
Atas,
yeah,
probably
yeah.
how to
Yevgeny is
fix
like,
that.
yeah, he's super experienced, man. I think he's been trading for 11 years.
Wow, it's a
So
long
we
time.
gotta zoom in, I think. But when I zoom in, I don't know if there is a way I can automatically track. Ooh, guys, the sellers are becoming aggressive.
Yep, if it breaks that low, it can be tempting, but they can swipe that low, go back up. You never know, man. This NQ, unpredictable.
Yeah, it's can still do anything. Still in the range. Yeah, very true, man. Oh, it's about to break, man.
Probably.
It's about to break. It's about to break.
Oh, and
Sellers becoming
broke a little
aggressive.
bit. Yep, that's a
Yep,
short for
that's a break.
sure.
That's a break. But
Order filled.
I got in way too late, man. But I want to scale in with another contract over here. Uh, no, we're just in with one contract, man. But that's fine. I was like tempted to go for that short a little bit earlier too, but anyway. Look, I don't even want the heat map, man. I
You can
can
take it out for now.
I mean like I kind of want like I just want to see the footprint, but because yeah. So it is pushing higher a little bit, but let's see. Let's see if the buyers will step in. That's actually cool. We can see that on the we see some large green candles. I mean large green bubbles. I should say, pop in. Then we'll know, man. We'll know that the buyers are getting aggressive at this price. But it just looks like the sellers are in control.
Yep, for now, yeah.
So again, I'm trying. Man, the thing is, bro, I closed everything. I closed absolutely everything. Okay, we got the delta divergence. Okay, that's something we need. Okay, so this is super interesting. That's something that's gonna be cool. So you can see the delta here. Oh, this is why
Yep.
Atlas is like really awesome, man. You can see the delta diverges. As soon as this pops green, we might look for, potential reversal perhaps, or we'll see, man.
See what
Because
happened in
right now everything is bare. Everything is bare. The
everything's bearish for the now, for the
Yeah,
time
5 seconds, 15 seconds. Well, long term definitely bare. Yeah, look at
And
that.
if it goes short, it's gonna go to 29,979, where there's this volume profile I have on my trading view. That will be the target for shorts.
Okay, now this is getting to be pretty cool content, man. Because this is what I wanted to see. I'm actually gonna even make this bigger. Because this is something that's pretty unique to ATAS, kind of a new feature where it shows that delta, man, so cool, bro. Shows actually that it's bearish. You see that?
Oh yeah, oh that's
It will
interesting
actually
actually.
give like bear, bull, bear. You see, like, but these are 5 second, 15 second. That doesn't really matter that much. But oh man, there's
That's
a
awesome.
yeah, that's pretty cool,
It's
man.
just a pullback. It's just a pullback.
Yeah, it's
Let's
just a
see what
pullback.
happens.
I mean, I'm in with one micro. Maybe just in case, I'll put like buy stop. Oops, and I gotta click those back. Shoot. Sorry about that, guys. Let's put that heat map back as well. Um, yeah, I gotta. What's actually better if is if I do those on another screen, because then when I click something, it doesn't change. Okay, so short term, it's bull. It's showing a little bit of bull right now, but long term bear, obviously. And the short term is getting eaten up right now. Eaten up. Sellers are pushing it, bro. They're pushing it, dog. Oh yeah, but I do see some green bubbles, man. Well, they're kind of like green, red. There's a fight between the sellers and buyers right now.
Could be a pullback to the VWAP, probably in going short.
Yeah, I have another contract here, cause yeah, I kind of do want to get into this position with a bigger size. To be honest, I was already like noticing somewhere in the middle of the range, like I was tempted to go for the short, but it's also good to wait for the confirmation because you could always get
Yeah, yeah.
like that, flip. Right now we're seeing some big red army candles. These are like the red army is like shooting like cannonballs, like pop pop pop.
Yeah, yeah, they do.
Okay, now we're getting into an interesting. I think this was yesterday's range. I have it marked out for some reason. So if you can confirm that, is that yesterday's low or something? I don't know
Yeah.
why I have it marked out. Oh yeah, yeah. So yeah, that's the bigger move. Again, I have to have these ATAS things on another screen, to be honest, because otherwise it's kind of in the way. Okay, there we go. Okay, I'm not gonna touch the screen anymore. Otherwise, it pulls that away. Okay, now
Yep.
short term is flipping bull, man. The 30 seconds and the 1 minute. The 5 seconds is still bear. 15 seconds bear. It's like getting absorbed. Yeah. I actually want that it comes up a little bit, so
It's good to
I
have a
can get in.
pullback.
Yeah, it's good that I can get in with one more contract because I didn't like my entry right there. So if I can get that,
Order
yeah,
filled.
perfect. Tapped into that one. Perfect. So we're seeing some the 15 very short term is again kind of bearish, and yeah, pretty bearish right now, and long term 10-20 minutes we're bearish as well. So but I mean it's getting the buyers are. Oh, we just flipped, man. We just flipped.
Yeah, yeah.
We just flipped to completely bull, man. Yeah. We're flipping. Nah, never mind. Okay, so this is why I like I don't know, man. This is why I'm a noob, guys. Don't you know? I'm just looking, man. This is like new and cool to me, man. I'm getting like such mixed signals. Okay, now we're just completely bare. Yeah. So, move your stop, says
Break
Khalid.
even.
Move your stop to BE, man. Yeah, perhaps, bro. Perhaps. I mean, at this point, we might look. When I touch the chart, it's like effed up, man. But I'm gonna move stop there. You're right about that. Let's just pull up these.
It's good to
Okay,
cover
I'm
yourself.
getting. Maybe we'll take one contract off if it. I mean, we could flip bullish as well if it passes this, man. But yeah, we're getting out with a small loss probably. Yep.
Stop filled.
Yeah, man. Well, we're still in with one contract with a little bit of a bigger stop. Man, I should have just kept my stop, man. Add more in at the bottom. Why would I add more in at the bottom, bro? I mean, okay, yeah, I get your, like, some people do that, right? Like Trader Tom, you know Trader Tom, man, Tom Hoggard,
Yeah.
Best Loser
Yeah.
Wins. Have you read that book, by the way? And by the
Yeah, I
way,
did.
hey, who was in the chat saying that they were gonna come and show us the 15R trade? They didn't show up, man. Okay, look, I mean the delta is completely green now. Should we? Yeah, I'm gonna get out, guys. I'm gonna get out.
Yeah, just get out for now.
Yep.
Order filled.
Okay. What do we have? I think we have a little loss, like $20, whatever. Not a huge deal. I mean, the delta is extremely green now. A lot of buying. But I don't really see in the bigger range. But yeah, I mean, everything is showing bull right now. But it could still flip, you know. I have 2 trades on NQ and US30, but they are far away. But they're still far away. Okay. Were you that Walter? Were you that guy who was saying that you were gonna show us? Yeah, you were gonna show us that 15 RR trade, man. What's up? What's up with that, man? Yeah, so potentially, man, I might try. It's coming back to this this area where there's, you know, that huge volume happening, the opening range pretty much, where it broke to the downside from. So it's back to that range. Kind of mixed signals on the delta right now. So yeah, any thoughts?
If it flushes that low, you can see there's an impulse leg going up from a zone where I had my volume profile. So to flash that back to, let me tell you what date is it? It's to the Friday volume profile. I'm looking at it on TradingView. If this breaks the lows, so just shoot through it under. I'll send you a screenshot what I'm looking at.
Yep. I get what you mean. Yeah, if it shoots down there, I'm just trying to think in the short term. Is it gonna try to go back into the opening market range, or is it gonna? Yeah, it's gonna break to the downside, man.
That's what I'm looking at. I'm sending you.
Okay.
That's when you see where the green line, I have it marked.
Oh, by the way, this is also where it gapped from, right? So maybe it's gonna try to fill the gap. Yeah.
Yes.
I see what you mean. Yeah, that's a real fair value gap, isn't it? Like ICT.
Yeah.
Fair value gap.
Let's fill the gaps.
So still delta, man. Delta is pretty positive, dude. In the right now, It's buyers are still pushing it. So yeah, what I'm thinking is, I don't know, this is a little bit too risky for me to buy at this area.
Don't
If I'm
buy
gonna
anything, just
sell, I
wait.
want to sell it a little bit higher. You know what I mean? If I see it come higher, and then the sellers are gonna really massively aggressively start selling again from that higher position. I'm looking at 3,500, 30,500 area ish, 30,480, 30,000, something around there. If it comes back there and you see like the sellers stepping in, then I might want to short from there, because then we can get a better entry. And if we just use one micro, we can like risk $100, but we can potentially catch a really big move if it tries to fill that gap. You know what I mean? We might get
Yeah.
a 1 to 5 R trade or something. But from a bullet right now, the delta is all green, man. All bulls popping up. So if at the top I see, the delta switching up, it could be a time to start selling. What do you think? Or are you not like really a reverse trader? You're
Yes.
kind of more patient, waiting for the breakout.
Yes. You
Yeah.
have to be very careful with it. Many times it happened to me, where you think it's gonna go down, it goes the other way.
Of course,
It's like a slingshot.
Yeah, but of course, yeah. Yeah, like just right now, man. We thought it was going, but it is still ranging back to the market open price pretty much. So now, if it pushes up a little bit more, we could potentially start looking at a short, but it could just go extremely bullish as well. So we'll see. So Walter Bryan, you sent it in the Discord. You're going, okay. Well, I can't really check the Discord. I already have too many things open right now. But why don't you join the chat? Yeah, I don't see you even in the Discord, man, sending anything. So I don't know where you sent it. Oh, look at that. Short term, the delta is starting to flip. But that is super short term. So I wouldn't bet anything on that, right? That could just still flip around. But there are some sellers, that's for sure. They're starting to absorb a little bit. I guess I needed to zoom into the heat map. I mean, I don't know, bro. I can't like really see. I can't get anything out of this heat map, to be honest. I thought there would be like more orders like somewhere above, somewhere. It's just all in this weird little range, man. Like I don't see any orders anywhere else, man. But maybe it's because it's in beta mode, right?
Yeah, it could be.
Or maybe it's something with my settings that I'm not loading everything. Okay, so there's a lot of orders there, I guess. Above it. Let's see if those get cleared out. No, so they're still getting filled. Okay. So maybe now I'm getting somewhere. Okay, so boom, those cells got. Ooh, now the sellers are pushing it down. Look, man. Yeah. Delta is flipping, but it could still push higher. Oops. So struggling a little bit. But yeah, the delta flipped green on everything again. So it is a strong push. And this is kind of the area where I also thought to go short, perhaps. So let's see here. Yeah, this is kind of where I wanted to go short before. Let's see if the delta can flip.
Still positive so far. It's like a chess game.
Yeah. Still positive, man. Whoa. Still.
And you notice you don't need much. Just like one micro, you can even make it, man. Just you hold your trade longer.
Okay. I'm
Order
gonna,
filled.
I'm gonna try, man. I'm gonna keep a pretty big stop, but I think I'm gonna fix this tomorrow, man. Cause I need that stuff on another chart so it doesn't click away. I'm trying to do it all on one screen.
Oh, that's too much. You know, you put the heat wave on.
No,
What screens have you got?
no. I mean, like, I've got 3 screens, so like I can like the recording software. I can record the ATS on one screen and the trader rate kind of on the other screen. I just have to figure out the layout. So since I just got it, I don't have the layout. But I think yeah, I might not even trade like on Tradeovate, man. If you have Ninja Trader, I think you can trade directly on
Yep.
ATS, right? And I
You
think
mean Rhythmic?
yeah,
Rhythmic?
Rhythmic, yeah, Rhythmic. I mean, I'm not. I think so, right? You can just get the data feed from Rhythmic and just connect it, and then you can buy and sell directly on ATS, right?
Yeah, because it should be like similar prices, not
Oh,
much
so
difference. So,
Jay Soar said, I don't understand anything. What is going on here, Marcus? We're going legit,
uh,
man. We're going legit like the banks, bro. What you mean, man? No, yeah, so basically what's happening in the heat map is you see where the orders are happening, where the limit orders are, but it's happening so fast that yeah, it's just basically a bunch of mumbo jumbo. But these these big red bubbles are basically sellers, and the bigger the red bubbles are, the more aggressive the sellers are. And here we can see what's happening. So these are the total orders, the delta, and in the short term, there's more. Look, it says bear, so there's more sell orders right now in the short term, but in the long term, 5 minute, 10 minute, we have more buyers in the bigger picture. But I'm also looking at the volume, and this is kind of, there's the highest bit of volume here for the day. So it's also kind of an area where they saw it as, well, it's the most traded area today. So this is kind of the place where I thought perhaps we could see that reversal happening. Because above it, if it breaks above it, then it's probably gonna, flip to the other side. So move bullish and completely break out. So I don't know. I'm taking a shot. Taking a shot. Right now, all the delta is positive, so that's not a very good sign. But it could just flip at any second. Is ES, like? Would it be better for me to look at ES on the book map? What do you think? Then
it'll be slower. It'll be slower. Let's see
yeah,
if you switch to ES, how it looks like.
yeah, we can switch to ES again, man. I don't know. I can't do it right now. I when I opened it before, could choose like CME. So let's just
Yep.
keep it at Nasdaq. Anyway, I gotta figure it out still, man. Um, you know what I mean? I'm gonna change it
Yep.
around. Oh, the buyers just aggressively. Oh, flipped it, man. They flipped it. They flipped it. again, I just think like this area, if they do break out of this, man, they do aggressively buy it out of this, then yes. But I just think it's kind of, I don't know. The seller seems stronger today, and that gap, like, I don't know, man. I think they're gonna try to fill that gap. This is just all like,
Later on, yeah, later on.
yeah, yeah. This is Wait a second. Today is FOMC, right?
Oh, really?
Oh,
I
I
didn't know
forgot, man.
that.
Yeah, bro. I think it's but it's
It
like
is.
way
It is.
later, right? It's like in 4
That's probably
hours,
when they
5 hours.
probably this is where they switch the trend to go fill that gap down.
Yeah, they're gonna fill that gap with the FOMC, of course. That's the trick here, bro. They already got the orders there, but we can't see it on the book map, which is kind of, or the whatever. Yeah. So it's in like about 3.5 hours from now. Oh, we're
Yep.
completely bull, man. We're completely bull. 1.8K, bro, on the 20-minute positive delta.
Insane.
So I'm actually even going against the delta, bro. We saw it like flip bullish over here already.
Yeah. Yep.
So we could have kind of known that the cells. Well, thankfully we got out of the cells over there. And yeah, I mean, look, just this week I'm up like 1.4K on this account, so
That's
losing
good.
a
That's
couple
good.
hundred here, a couple hundred there, it's not that big of a deal. But I'm just trying to think what we could have done better in this situation. And it was probably like, think of it was perhaps a good buying situation over there. Right now we're still, I might actually exit that at this point. Yeah, I'll get
Order
out.
filled.
Take a loss early, before we get like more. I don't mind taking that $100 loss and making it back later, but right now, yeah, it's just the buyers are willing to be extremely aggressive. And keep pushing it higher. Okay, so now I'm starting to see where the limit orders are. And yeah, they're just moving it higher and higher. And they're going for the breakout of that little structure. Yep. Yeah,
I
wow,
played
man.
it as an ABC to the downside, and I just took it back to wave B up. Also, sent you a photo.
Oh, nice. So you took the buy.
Yeah. It's all about the anchor. Like I told you, in simplifying things, making it simple.
Ooh, gold just broke out too, man. Again, we'll see, man.
So if this to go to the upside, will break the level B that I've marked for you, send it in the chat. Then we'll dig deeper inside down, like a deeper pullback before going up. Because if you're looking at the 1 hour, and I'm thinking this is an ABC pullback inside that down impulse leg, so it has to be a bit deeper than that.
Which chat did you send it to? Because I'm on
The
Discord.
Discord.
Okay. Uh-huh. Oh, okay, you sent it privately. Okay. I was in
No,
the.
oh, sorry.
No. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay, I see what you mean. Very interesting. TP hit. Nice, man.
Let's see. Let's see how it turns around.
Yeah. So I mean, I can start to see because during the market open, it was so fast, right? I'm kind of seeing it slow down a little bit, and oh gosh, sorry about that, guys. And I'm starting to see the limit orders not being, you know, hit straight away, and they're kind of staying there for a little bit. But still, like, there's no way you could actually trade that. So short
So now
term
you'll see
flipping.
yeah, going short for a bit. If it wants to break to the upside, there's going to be a deeper pullback. Now, so expect it to come back probably to view up or something, and then go long again if it wants to go long.
Yeah, getting a wick. Yeah, we don't have.
Man, Nasdaq doesn't respect anything. Trust me, I've seen it. It does what it wants to do.
Of course, yeah.
You can think of a high probability, but again, the market dictates the flow, and we'll have to dance with it.
Yeah, it is a deeper pullback.
Yep. Wait a bit more deeper. I think this is a shallow. So if you think this is like up as an impulse, we'd wait for a deeper one.
We're definitely like trapped in this range, man. Very, very interesting. I kind of want to pull up the footprint now, but we're gonna make
On
it
NQ, good luck with that. So quick.
So Walter is
It has to be range charts. It has to be a high range charts. Let's say 80 or 90 or 100. So yeah, you can able to see information, because if you put it on like 20, like a 20 range, I think tick 20 ticks, or it was just 5 point, you won't be able to see anything. You'll see zeros, one, zeros, one. But give it a shot. Give it a shot.
no. We already got too much. Okay, now if
That's
I want to see the short term flip bullish on I want to see the short term flip bull on NQ, and then I'm gonna go for a buy. But I mean, like, solidified 1 minute bull. Okay, 1 minute is bear right now.
Yeah, see, Walter is smart. He's targeting the value area high of the Friday when it goes short.
Yeah, so Walter
That's
Bryan is going NQ sell at 30,600. So he's still waiting for his entry, and then SL is a very tight stall at 30,662. And he's going for a TP of 30K, bro. 29,900 pretty much.
that's pretty,
That's a crazy one.
this
Okay,
is,
so
covers the gap. This is probably later
yep.
it will
Order
happen. We
filled.
switch back down. Yep, 100%. I agree with him.
So we went for a buy because the delta flipped. The delta flipped bull again. I'm just trying to learn, man. I'm just trying to learn. Because the last time that it did that, you know, it worked out. So let's see. Now on the book map, very interestingly, the sellers are, it's in a range right now. Buyers are trying to push it higher.
Yeah, because where Walter is invalidated, because if it breaks that means it's gonna go to the upside. So that's the stop loss where he's set is the top of that
Ooh, we
pullback,
see I see a
which is a
big
wave two. Then he's just seeing it going
sell
down
order
into
there.
wave.
Oh gosh.
Yep.
Yep.
Like I
Big
said to you
sell.
on the Discord, it would fill the gap to the downside. That's how would they do it. If they don't want to break the high of that pullback to the upside, then it's gonna come down.
Yep. Oh, by the way, man, I think I messed one thing up. I should have put my microphone sound a little bit higher. Most people can't hear me probably very well. Oh gosh, I'm gonna take another $100 hit probably here. So
Are you long? It's
yeah,
time to
yeah,
see.
yeah.
I'll cut it off, man. I'll cut it off. It's just middle of nowhere.
I thought the buyers were becoming a little bit more aggressive right there, man. But it's just up, down, I guess. Yeah, just almost my stop loss is right there, man. Very, very, very close there. So if it gets hit, it gets hit. Let's see my sound, headphone, microphone. Oh wow, the volume was super low, man. Can you hear me better now?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So I'll just maybe it's too loud. Is it too loud now?
Yeah, a bit too loud.
Is it better now? Better. Okay.
Yeah, this is much better.
Yeah, this is good. Okay. It was like my audio was at 20, bro. It was like way too low. Okay.
Stop filled.
Stop filled, man. Wow. I mean, what the heck am I doing? Tried to go for short here. Tried to go for a long here. I mean, so yeah, we're down about $200. Not a big deal. You know, I remember I told you as well, like when I'm down, I kind of want to like double up in size. I want to put like 2-3 micros now and kind of make it back. But
No, one is
of
enough,
course not.
man.
Yeah,
One
one
is
is enough. We just need that big move. These are small losses. It's not a big deal. But I'm just saying that's a bad habit during stream. That's a really bad habit. So, I mean, this is probably just gonna range, right? For FOMC.
I sent you something on Discord. You see where that red line where Walter said it will be invalidated for the shorts. So that will be a 1-2 and then continue going down, rinsing through a third wave, rinsing through the gap.
So what are you seeing here?
Just to the downside, probably a 1-2. If this red line doesn't break, it will flip to go higher.
Mm-hmm.
If that one holds, that one's going to flush to the downside. So it'll be a 1-2, then another third one, which will flush through to fill the gap.
All right, interesting. So that red line is okay.
So this is if you look at the
you
stop
got
loss.
Is that the VWAP over there? Like that you got?
Oh yeah, this is the Austin one. You know, Austin Silver one stuff.
Oh yeah, so it hit the VWAP right now.
Yep.
And everything switched bearish.
Yep.
Yep. Okay, last try. Really.
Go. You want to go bearish?
I'm gonna go bearish, man.
Just one micro. Don't go more.
I took that. Yeah, I took the original bias, man.
It's just an idea, you know. This is like a chess game. What if?
Man,
what
it's
if
like that.
it's
like in that high volume area as well.
Yes.
And just as I got in, the bull stepped in on the delta, dude. Today is the day where it's like
it's just
really like, yeah, dude. Oh, wait a second. How many contracts did I enter? Why am I down so much, dude? How am I down so much, dude? Oh, it's just, huh? Okay, this stop loss is gonna eat me up. It's gonna eat me alive. It's better go to TP, bro. No, this is the last trade I'm taking today, man.
Hold it. A bit of faith.
No, the delta is like, it's really mixed right now. Short term is bear. Short term is very slightly bear, so that's good. Still got.
We never know. Can flip back to the upside.
No, short term is bear right now. Of course, it can flip.
Now it's gonna go downside. It's gonna flash downside. Hopefully, fingers crossed.
Yeah, sellers are becoming aggressive. We got a big red bubble there. More red bubbles. Some green now, but it's still yep, red bubbles, boom, aggressively pushing it down. Okay, now I'm starting to see the heat map a little bit. I'm starting to see, man. I'm starting to see the power. Okay, look, the sellers are
Flashing through.
No. Okay. Green Army just stepped in, bro. Green Army just stepped in.
This is the NQ. You gotta put a scenario and invalidate it and keep your contract size small. So when it's wrong,
of course it's not a simple straight down, of course, but
no way.
yeah. But there's a lot of orders here. Okay, those just got cleared. But yeah, sellers are putting their limit orders over there. And it seems like they are not allowing the buyers. Oh, look at that. Aggressive sellers again, man. But hey, fuck. The buyers. The buyers. What the heck, bro? Yeah, this is going to make you crazy, man, watching at this.
It is. That's why I don't want to watch it.
Like, this is kind of pointless, bro.
Or take some. If you want to take some, because this could go also either way, up.
Bro, if this goes up again, I'm not gonna trade, because then anymore, I'm not gonna take it another chance. But yeah, I think the sellers are a bit more aggressive right now. We see, you know, there's some aggressive pushes, but I see more, you know, the delta is becoming bearish on the 1 minute.
This is crazy. Looking in the heat map, this is nuts.
Yeah, I'm not gonna pay too much attention to that heat map. But again, man, what the heck? Maybe this is just the wrong day to look at this, because it's FOMC, so it's very, very unclear. But yeah, look,
it's the middle of nowhere, bro.
Aggressive sellers.
Oh yeah, I'll take my profit, bro. I'll take my profit and just wait.
Lovely. Yeah. Red bubbles, red army. Let's go, red army. Pull out your cannons. Pull out the bazooka and the bomb bomb the green army. Come on. Bomb the shoot.
You're at a demand zone as well.
They broke through our defenses, man. The green army broke through the defenses, man. Well. I mean, this is becoming a day where looking at this will make you absolutely nuts, bro.
You see you're in the demand zone, right? You can see that. But again,
yeah,
who wins the battle?
Exactly, who wins the battle? I mean, a little bit, like 20 minutes is still bull, but 5 and 10 is well, it's kind of mixed overall. Short term flipping bull right now, but nope.
It's gonna flip all to the negative side. Let's
see. Oh. Okay. Yes, sir.
Let's see what's gonna happen.
Yes, sir. We see bear. And right now the 20 minute is getting eaten up, bro. It's still got positive of 140 contracts, 150 contracts positive, but it's slowly getting eaten. Oh, 5 contracts left, dude. Everything is flipping bearish. There's still like, oh, it's still holding on to the bull, but it's very little, man. Oh, it just flipped bearish. It just flipped bearish for a slight moment, man. Everything flipped bearish. But I mean, like, this is the thing. I could just see it on the candles, right? Like,
Yeah.
I can just see that the candle is red. Okay, why do I have to look at like the book map to the delta, right?
Let's go and queue to the downside, hopefully. Well, be aware of that.
Right now,
Demand zone.
if I take profit right now, we'll be break even for the day. So, but of course, I'm gonna keep holding because right now this
Probably move your stop loss a bit to break even, just to protect yourself. What do you think?
yeah, it is kind of okay. I would have if I would have, yeah,
Let it flush a little bit down, a little bit more.
yeah. Now it's a little too late. Wow, what?
Take some profit.
No,
Yeah,
it's
I'm
no
telling you,
point.
it's gonna
I went from 200. I went from 200 to 50
All
bucks, bro.
all the
What kind of day is this, man? This is the worst day to start trading this. Anyway, I mean, if I look at the delta on the 20-minute, man, we're negative 300 contracts. So, for now, we're still negative delta, right? I'm not gonna even look at these 5 second because what's the 5 second delta gonna show us, man? Nothing.
Take some profit, bro. A little bit. Let's see. It's not short because this the demand zones can go back up again. Well, let's
Yeah,
see. It's your call. It's your call. It's your call.
Nah, yeah, it all flipped. It all flipped. I mean, let's put it at break even, whatever.
Yeah, please do that.
Man, what?
Stop filled.
Yeah, okay, there we go.
Break even?
Yeah, but I'm going along. The thing is, bro, like the thing is the delta flipped and I didn't get out on time. But now I know, it was a deep retracement. I don't know, man. I probably I'm just like looking for.
Oh, this is the middle of a range. This is the thing, like.
Yeah. I'm probably like looking at too big of a move right now. And
that's good. You covered yourself. That's good.
And yeah, the delta is flipping bullish again. I'm just looking like for a bigger move, but I'm just probably it's gonna stay in the range, right? Because
Yep.
So Yoshi said go long now. Kalai Kid said selling short the Dow on a phishing signal. So have you looked at the Dow? Oh, everything is turned bearish. Interesting. Everything is turned bearish. Yep. Getting out. Okay, that was good. That was good. I was gonna stay in that too long. Dude, I don't know, man. I'm probably not
one of those days.
This is one of those days where I shouldn't
don't do anything, man.
Shouldn't do anything.
Just look at it.
Yeah. For now, I'm not gonna do anything. Let's wait for that actual move, because right now everything flipped bearish again. I thought it was going up, but it it flipped bearish again. But hey, I probably would have stayed in that longer, man, if it wasn't for the delta. So that time, it was actually beneficial that it flipped. That time it was beneficial, man. I really thought it was going up right there, but when I saw it flip on the shorter time frame, I was like, what? That doesn't mean that it still can't go up right now, but that kind of scared me out of that one. It's like just bouncing around, man. That's what you see on the footprint as well. It's just these buyers and sellers, they're just fighting a lot in this area.
Oh, look at the heat map makes you crazy looking at it. This is too much.
Yeah. I mean, it's interesting to watch, man. And maybe, look, they say you get good in it like after a year. So, hey, this is just the beginning, man. In a year from now, you'll see me at Antonio level. No, it's not Antonio. What's his name? Fabio.
Fabio is really, pretty
Yeah.
awesome.
Okay, so maybe I should. Maybe I got scared too soon.
No, you just did the right call. Just sit and wait till the market shows you its hand, which direction it wants to go. This is where most people lose accounts, you know that. Up, down, up, and then
Yeah, they go on tilt, and then. I mean, so far, okay, we have lost quite a bit, man. It's like $306, man. Today, down.
just wait a little bit.
Yeah.
Just be patient. Little.
Oh my!
Oh, look at the flow. You, it's going.
Oh whoa! What just happened there, man? That
The
was
flip to the
insane,
downside.
bro. That was a big bubble, bro. Man, what's going on? Oh, bro.
Filling the gap. Filling the gaps. Hopefully,
okay.
yeah.
Order
I'm
filled.
going for it, man. I'm going for it. Oh gosh, bro. I'm probably gonna blow the account now because it's gonna shoot straight back up.
Yeah. Oh, no, just wait. I'm just kidding. Just wait a little bit.
Holy
I'll
smokes!
probably
No.
on the,
I mean, this is that kind of a day where we'll.
oh, there's a delay with the YouTube stream a little bit. Just looking at it a little bit.
Bro, I got in, man. I'm gonna. Okay, it's
I can't see you in
literally
any position.
it's literally gonna come back, bro.
Are you in it? Are you in it?
I'm in it. It's literally gonna come back, dude. Oh fudge me, man. This will be a big fat L day, man. This will be a big fat L day, dude. And it is pushing, bro. What's the delta? What's the delta showing? I swear if it's
This is crazy.
if it's gonna, bro, what was that candle, man? If it's not gonna go, come on, where's the aggressive sellers? Why did they stop selling, bro? What's going on, man?
Oh, now I can see your position.
Yeah, it's pretty bad, huh? I'm in pretty bad drawdown. Oh man, dude, that was so bad. Oh shoot, dude. And it's flipping. I mean, this is like ridiculous. I mean, this is the last trade. I will be down $500.
Yeah, just don't trade more
even
with us.
yeah. Even more, man. Oh,
Coming back.
okay, short term, very short term flipping bearish. Come on, dude. Yep.
Stop
filled,
filled.
bro. Wow. I mean, okay, that's the time for me to give up. That wick is insane, man. That wick is insane, man. So I mean, this is indeed like the kind of range where it's just impossible. Man.
A flush to the downside will be good. Stop you out?
Yeah, it stopped me out.
Oh, still seeing you still in the trade on YouTube.
Oh no, it's still I'm out.
Now I can see you stopped out.
Yeah, I'm out.
I just stopped for the day. It's enough.
Yeah, it's enough. It's enough damage for one day. It's FOMC day, man. Man, that wick is crazy though, bro. I really thought that was the breakout. Now it's gonna, now it's gonna really drop. And now it's probably gonna go back to the highs, huh?
Yeah.
Back to the highs, man.
That's where they play with us. Like, do you think it's gonna do the breakdown? Then they take it up, then they take it in the direction they want.
Yeah, it's very interesting that, they were willing to suddenly sell it such high, but sell it so aggressively out of nowhere. There was no like news or anything, or maybe there was, and maybe that was kind of some kind of tweet candle or something that we weren't aware of. But yeah, it will be very interesting if it comes, all the way back up. And yeah, what has really happened is just in a range, man. Still. So man, the book map
Well,
I guess it's not a good strategy to just look at
no.
bubbles, bro. Because I'm like,
No.
red bubbles, aggressive.
That's why I don't use it for NQ. It's bad, man. It's
Aggressive
bad.
sellers are stepping in. It must go down. No. That was dumb. Yeah, I got to figure out how to use this a lot better.
Oh yeah, you will learn. You'll learn. It's fine.
Okay, bro. We gotta make back the loss, bro. Come on.
Order filled.
Come on now.
Oh, come on.
Come on now. We gotta do it.
That's your demons kicking in.
Oh.
I would wait, man. I would wait. Still in a range. Not clearly wants where it wants to go.
No. It's, I mean, yeah, it is clear. It's not clear, but like I said, man.
It would have been better with one of these days if you see it messy, just close your PC, walk away.
Yeah, for sure. But we're on stream, man. We gotta look at it. I gotta be incentivized to look at the book maps though. So yeah, I'm seeing like, I just think it's still bearish for the day, man.
Yeah, I think it will go back, but just still the candle size is huge, man.
Brian Walter said, Adrian, what are you doing, man? Well, I'm being dumb, man. That's what we're doing. But I mean, yeah, that was kind of dumb, bro. But yeah, the short term is turning bearish. I mean, look, like that last trade, that was really impulsive of me actually to get into that short. I wouldn't even normally take that, man. Like, I don't know. I wouldn't like normally take that kind of a breakout trade. But sometimes it does work out, but not today, man. Not today.
No, market is a bit.
Yeah, it's been like this like the whole week, isn't it? Where during New York Open it kind of plays around and the volume comes in a bit later, and especially today they're probably waiting for FOMC, man. At least you are positive for the day, man.
I was just waiting because I was confused with it.
I'm completely flopped for today, man.
I would just walk away from everything. It's too much.
Yeah, so Walter Bryan saying in the market you have to be sniper, one shot, one kill.
That's true.
Yeah. And consider your bullets are made of gold and rare stones. Very, very good advice, man. One trade day is gold. Yep. One trade a day is absolutely the way. Because then you'll be
How many trades have you taken?
Then you'll be more like selective with that one trade as well. And you can just walk away after that one trade and be done. Be done for the day. Actually, like, yeah, the cool thing about, I mean, also with TraderVet, you can just manually lock yourself out as well. If you don't have that willpower, just do that one trade and manually lock yourself out. And that's it. And it should become like a habit. One trade, boom, manually lock out. One trade, boom, manually look out. You can do that
Yeah,
on Top Step as well.
it
And
instills good habits in you,
yeah, right
so you
now
can
I'm
walk away.
right now I'm doing some bad habits, man. These are some terrible habits. But also, like, I kind of want to sit here, chat with you, bro. You know, it's kind of boring to just stare at the chart without.
Yeah, you sit by yourself. It's boring.
Yeah,
What
yeah,
I normally do, I look for one trade or two trades maximum and just shut the PC after that. No points
yeah. No,
staring in
after
the
this,
chart.
I'm still gonna do the course, because I actually want to
Oh
learn
yeah,
this stuff. But even in the course, man, it said like footprint is like only 5%.
it's a confirmation. That's all.
Yeah,
Use it for
it's like only
confirmation, not a
5%
strategy.
of what you would need. You actually more.
So
It's
again,
like
it
the
all.
volume profile and like stuff.
Yep, it boils down to your contacts, which is your location, your levels, and just confirming the trade, whether it's an absorption, exhaustion, or a delta flip. You know,
Exactly, man.
just I would use it on ES, definitely not NQ. NQ is too quick, man. NQ is
Yeah, yeah. Maybe gold, man. What do you think about
yeah, gold would be
using
a good
it on
one.
gold? Yeah, but
Yeah,
then
probably
again, like
gold.
gold is also gold is not just traded on the futures. So even though there's not like even though there's orders, it's not all the orders because gold is obviously also a precious metal. So it's traded on the gold. It's also about how much there's available and whatnot.
Oh, definitely. You need to fix that heat map on Atas. Would be much better.
What do you mean? Like
No, the
fix the
background,
settings.
like yeah, the settings on the background shouldn't it look like bookmarks? So when you play with the contrast, you can see those orders and filter them. Or you can see just a array of lines up and down all around the bubbles. So not much a price range above and below.
Is this what you mean?
Yes, probably need to zoom in a little bit. I'm seeing a 90, 30, 8, 10 point range, somewhere around there.
Okay. So,
So if you
oh,
play
I
with the
should.
scale, the price is scale. Yeah, it shouldn't be looking like book map, basically.
Yeah, you're right.
Uh,
So I have the settings here. Oh,
the bubbles back.
oh, the bubble radius. No, no, no. I think upper
You need
percentile.
to zoom in. You just zoom in a little bit.
No, yeah, I'm trying to figure out. Of course, I only have like bar width is. No, that's a depth.
10 points, 10 points, roughly 10 points, something like around there.
Yeah, yeah, I'm trying to figure it out, man. The display. So it's not the bubble radius. I need the.
The scaling on the price, something like
Yeah,
that.
because it's not showing
Are you on
everything.
a log?
No, that's not it. Oh, so there's the exact one. No, not include zeros. I think there is a little bit. It's a little bit better, but so
Yeah, I agree. With scalping is so stressful. I agree with Walter. He's really
okay, okay.
yep. Put
I
a
think
break
I
even
think
as
I
well.
think I think it's better now. It's just showing the orders. But
That's the bubble radius, man.
bubble radius.
This is no. The bubble radius has nothing to do with it. This is the price scale. You know these background where he's showing all the. This is the to do with the scaling. I don't know nothing about Atlas. I need to look into that as well because I'll probably be having the same issue.
Bubble calculation delta, yeah.
Bro, I'll probably add a break even just in case it flushes back up.
1 sec, man. Yeah, this is these settings, man. I think people don't want to see that. Let's just keep it like this for.
Don't worry about the heat map. Don't worry about the heat map. Don't worry about it.
Let's just keep it like this for a while because I'll watch some YouTube videos. It's also beta mode, right? So they're still working on it, so maybe it's not like fully operating how it should be. I don't know, because you're supposed to see a bigger range. You're right. I only see like a 10
That's
point
what I'm
range.
looking at.
Yeah.
10-point range, but it doesn't make sense.
Yeah, there should be orders above it and stuff,
Let's see with this
3D
one.
mode, no. Oh my gosh, that looks really bad. Clusters, no. No, I think that's I don't want to play around with this too much either.
Just leave it. Don't worry about
Yeah.
it. Don't worry about it. Just focus on the trade, man.
Well, the trade is it's whatever, man. Okay, look, I mean it's looking a little bit better now. I think than it was before with the bubbles, because that was just making me crazy. Now it's kind of showing, okay, there's a lot of buyers here. Sellers are getting weak. But well, this is only calculating the limit orders, right? So what really moves the market is the market orders, right? It's not really the limit. The limit
aggressive
orders.
buyers and
Yeah.
and sellers and buying off the resting orders on the bid and ask.
Yeah, still an arranging market, man. That's the.
This is nasty. This is nasty, man. This is where should I go? I'm middle of nowhere.
Yeah, I don't know. Well, there's not really, I don't think anybody's really, having the best day right now.
No,
I
I
would
don't think
imagine.
so.
Like
I would have
this.
walked away, honestly. I would
Yeah.
have walked away. To be honest, if I wasn't sure, I would walk away.
Oh yeah, I should have quit. But that's the thing with, I kind of want to, be longer on live stream because it's, fun to talk to you as well, man. So
Oh, we can always talk. Just close that computer.
no. I'm not gonna close the computer anyway, because after this I'm gonna watch the course.
How is it going? Good. And look at the bunch I've sent you as well. It's pretty good ones as well.
I mean, you have like so much on Footprint, so much stuff. I don't know, like having too much knowledge is also
No. Don't add too much.
yeah.
Only confirmation. 1 or 2 things with the order flow, just off your level. That's it.
Because you can get like analysis paralysis where you're looking at
Exactly.
like 10
That's what
different
happened to earlier
strategies.
wave people. You see what
Yeah.
happened to them? Analyze, and they end up into a wheelchair. They get paralyzed from that.
Don't worry, Walter Bryan. We're keeping the same type of stop loss that Mamba uses. So basically no stop loss. It's an open stop loss, yeah.
Did you see yesterday the video I've sent you? It was so funny teaching how to win the Robins
ICT,
World Cup.
yeah.
Yeah, that was hilarious.
That was really good. Maybe we can play it. I don't know. Actually, I didn't know, but I one trader commented on it, and then I saw that one of my friends he partied with that guy in Thailand.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he partied with that guy who made that video.
It was hilarious, man.
Yeah, that was really good. I mean, Yeah, that was. I think like some people are really good with the skits. If you can make like trading fun and make it like comedy, that's amazing.
That's
Because
good.
it's such a, you know, yeah, such an interesting thing if you can make it. If you can make a comedy that's relatable and stuff out of it. I mean, honestly, man, what has it done for the whole New York Open? It's just moved up and down.
Still in the range.
Yeah,
Yeah, still in the range.
super frustrating price action, man. And again, all the
Goes down and stairs, swap liquidity, go back up, then where you think is gonna head up, then it turns around, goes down.
exactly. So either way you hold it, you're eventually going to be in profit. It just kind of right now, at least. Show depth indicator. No, that doesn't do anything. Yeah, I'll just focus on that later today. Yeah, I still think it's bearish, man. I think
Yeah, I still think
yeah.
Twin's gonna turn, gonna take that
But
turn.
it could be like I don't know what time it is over there, but it's gonna be in 3 hours from now, the FOMC, and that's when probably, and they might shock it even then. It might shoot up and then go down like within seconds, right? It will just be like poop pop, like both sides get you out whatever position you have. It might just hit stop loss on whatever position you have.
Yep.
So on days like today, it's probably best to not risk too much or just not do anything at all.
Always play 1 micro a day, keeps the doctor away. That's what I like.
Yeah,
Like
that's
this
good.
one.
That's a good one, man. That's a really good one. Let's see. Something's happening. Not much,
It's
but
true what Tom Hogarth said. Best losers win at the end. Because you lose, and at the end, it's like when you run out of
capital.
option, you're gonna win. Eventually, you're gonna win.
Yeah, it's all about keeping losses small. So when you win, you can actually, yeah. Today was way better than Monday. What was on Monday? I think Monday was terrible as well. It was kind of the
Yeah,
same
one of those-
choppiness. Yeah. It's Wednesday, right? Yeah.
it is Wednesday.
Well, I don't know if it's worse or better, but it's kind of the same, to be honest. We'll probably catch that short later, but I have a long way back to recovery now, man. Well, not a long way, to be honest. It's like a little bit over 1%. So
One candle can get it back to you. Just be patient a little bit. As a chess, man, this is the thing where you have an analysis where, like, okay, one scenario, second scenario, that's where you want your footprint chart to confirm your idea, and then you take it.
what the heck is going on with the footprint, man? This is absolutely ugly, bro.
I can get overwhelmed with charts.
You know
Too
what?
much.
I'm gonna get rid of that blue. I'm gonna get rid of that.
Remove it.
Footprint.
Close the heat map. You don't need it. You don't need
Yeah.
it. You don't need it for now.
I mean, I'm literally gonna get go crazy from that. So I do maybe since we closed that we could just look at what some other interesting things are. So like this,
There's
for
so many.
example.
Yeah.
There's the market pressure.
Oh, no,
I don't know what that does, but I guess right now there's more aggressive sellers than buyers. So that's pretty interesting.
It's gonna.
I mean, hey, these are all good tools. They're not really indicators, but they're just. So that's called market pressure. What about this one? Dome pressure? Oh.
It's gonna make you even crazier looking at delta and
Yeah, I mean, hey,
this is
let's get all.
one for your heart beats and the other one for your blood pressure. Feel the market. Feel the market.
Oh, look, it is switching, man. But on a day like today, it's probably gonna just switch all the time, and I'm just gonna go nuts, man. Hmm. Smart tape. What is smart tape? I'm just like looking at the features, man.
Bro, you're becoming a hedge fund right there. With
Yeah,
all
bro.
the tools.
I'm becoming legit, bro. What you mean? Oh, here we go. I found what I was looking for, man. Perfecto. I think I found it. What the fuck? Oh, I'm on Ethereum chart. Yeah, this is not looking very good, man.
Oh, look at that.
XRP. What the fuck? Okay, this has completely failed. Yep.
Yeah, this will go down, but it's gonna take some time inside that range, up and down before it flushes through. Where you think it's when it's time for the FOMC, it's gonna do it, and they get that pressure down.
Exactly. Okay. Perfecto, guys. I have found it, but I honestly don't know. I mean, this is getting way too messy now. Let's see if we can actually add that. Oh
They're not gonna
man,
help, man. This is
no,
just gonna you look at your eyes gonna keep popping up and down like 10, 5, 20,
this is
120.
gonna become this is gonna become way too crazy, bro. Okay,
Day trading is by no means easy.
So the delta is positive 200 right now.
You know, when I was first looked at the footprint chart, oh, delta positive, buy. I didn't have no clue what I was doing, and then I had to look up more into it and learn more about it.
Mm-hmm. Well,
If you
pretty
go,
much everything is positive right now on the delta.
yeah,
Yeah.
zoom in more on the candles. Probably aggregation you need to make. You have to zoom in too much to see. Yeah, but
I
again,
think
settings.
I think this
Settings.
is this is settings, bro. We need to fix the settings. But on a day like today, bro, it's probably just gonna be bouncing around. So this delta positive doesn't do us any good at all.
No.
I mean, that's the
Oh
thing,
my
man.
God.
Like, you know, this is what my assumption was. And I think it's just like a confirmation for me. When it's a green candle, then obviously the delta is positive. Like if it's a red candle, then the
Yeah,
delta
that's
is
what
negative.
it's not like that. Just the level where you taking the trade.
There is no spread on futures trading, or very little. Depends. If it's
So this is will dance in the middle until the FOMC time. then
The cool thing about futures is it's like centralized, so all of the charts will look the same. If you're on CFD, they can manipulate the
on
spreads.
T4,
They can,
yeah, definitely, and you can even be a losing trader, and at the end edit the statement for MT4. You're the best trader in the world.
yeah, okay, that's another thing. Yeah, you can become a really good scammer, but not on futures. Well, I've seen scammers on futures too, man. They'll just say like,
I
"Oh, it's a
don't.
live account," but it's not really.
Well, you would think that you can't do that, but actually, can you edit the stuff after? I don't know.
Well, now, like the aggressive buyers are way ahead of the aggressive sellers. On the ask and bid, it's pretty similar, but the aggressive buyers are way higher. Delta is 350 positive right now, but that doesn't really mean anything. It could just flip around at any second, man. So you know, on a day like today, I'm guessing that this is good if you're looking for reversals. Like if you
Yeah,
see something going long, like for a long period of time, and they see that it's switching, it could
I think
potentially.
the market pressure is much useful in this case than the heat map.
100%. Yeah, the market pressure seems pretty good. I mean, it's nice little data to have. Okay, so short term we're flipping delta's flipping bearish for very short term. Never mind. You see, like how am I gonna use this, bro? On a day like today.
You can. You're not gonna use. No.
On a day like today, it's like impossible, bro.
Still in the range. Wow.
Yeah, we haven't moved practically anywhere from the start of the New York session. Wow. Well, it's just best to stay away, I guess.
Walter said, "These things make a trader look like a quant trader who knows alien technology." It's true.
Knowing alien technology, and we're doing super terrible, man.
Terrible day for trading. We should just walked away.
What the heck? The aggressive
Was
sellers
it?
just suddenly, boom! They just suddenly increased to 600. So they ate that move right up. And now the sellers are increasing. Oh. Yep. Okay. I'm kind of look. Hey, this is a trial run. I'm kind of starting to like this.
Atas.
I'm starting to like this market pressure tool. It's that's a really cool data, man. Like you would maybe think, oh, it's a green candle, but you see the selling pressure get much higher than the buying pressure. That's super. That's super cool to see. So you can get like excited about, oh, it's going up right now, but you can see that the selling pressure is much higher. Even on the ask versus bid, I mean, it was higher, but yeah. So wow, look at that! Just straight away got absorbed. And the sellers are still more aggressive than the buyers. Wow, I think just from watching this, not putting in the trades, I can start seeing how I can apply these tools. I don't want to call them indicators because it's just literally data of buyers and sellers. But it's cool to have, that data right here without you having to, like, I don't know, calculate the delta and whatnot. Okay, so now it's flipping green again. Hey, Hey, it doesn't like it will just show what is actually happening right now, but it could obviously flip at any moment. It doesn't mean that it's like confirmed bearish now.
Unpredictable. That's why.
But on a day like today, yeah, it's gonna flip around. But I mean, you could have caught like the most minuscule scalp there for like with one micro, probably like $20 scalp. But yeah, some people trade like that as well. They just put like one mini or a couple minis, and then they get their
It's luck,
1,000
bro.
from like 10
That's
pip,
a
10 pip,
that's luck. That's luck, bro.
10 tick move.
What if the market flipped on the other side?
Of course, then you would have been screwed, man.
Here's the thing on the social media, just showing you just the winners. You don't know how many losers, how many blown accounts before a payout, how much they spent. All this stays hidden.
Yeah, of course. They need to sell those courses. How are they going to sell courses if they're going to be losing? You have to be winning all the time, right? You have to sell the dream that you have 100% win rate.
Yeah, no one loses. We do lose.
Walter Bryan said scalping will kill your health and increase cortisol.
No, of course, I would never do it. I'll never do it anymore. No way. This is crazy. Look at this guy, this clubbingbuy.com forum. They sell courses and stuff. This guy, I've got an email from this forum. It says, "My name is Jacob. I'm 23 years old and started trading just over a year ago. For my first 8 months,
No
I
way.
traded ICT concept without a single
No.
payout.
No.
After refining my approach, 460K in 5 months, bro."
What? He's not even a year into trading and 400K. What the?
I'll show you
No,
that.
ICT trading. No, you have to send me that. That's just
It's a forum,
the most
like,
ridiculous thing. This is not a
Viva.
new futures account. I've been trading this for this week. I mean, today has been a flop, but thankfully yesterday, the day before, I was able to secure some profit. So even though I took some losses today, it's still not as bad. But yeah, this price action, man, I got trapped into a couple of things. Tried to take a sell before went back up. Then I thought maybe it's going for a buy, but it's just ranging, man. So I took a couple SLs here. Took an impulse sell again. And it's just ranging. So very, very stupid. I should have realized that it's gonna range long before, because we were already talking about it, right? But
Yeah.
Walter Bryan said you can't be profitable trading for 1 year. It's a cap. Yep, I agree, man. Like, you should have, even if you're gonna be profitable, your track record should be, what's the track record then? Like, that you're profitable for 3 months, that doesn't prove anything. Like, you should even track it for forward test the thing for like a year, because you're gonna have bad months, you're gonna have good months, but like see
Yeah.
if you're gonna be profitable for the year. Yeah, I was actually on my own capital. I was actually profitable last year, and I had a really good month in September, but it was kind of cheating, because gold was just making higher highs, and I was just buying gold basically on the retracement. So, you can't really call that very good
Yep.
trading, because that doesn't really take any skill. If you're in a bull market, it's just kind of easy to buy and hold. You know what I mean?
Yep.
But yeah, this takes a little bit more skill.
See, is the market flipping from there? Let's see.
So the delta is minus 65 right now, but it's very small minus in the delta. Short term, yeah, always very, very small minus on the delta, so it doesn't say anything yet. Now it's moving a bit higher. I can it's at 60 right now.
Let's see what this market will do.
I really think it's not going to do anything right now. It's just the range is getting smaller and smaller. And we saw, like, even when the sellers did become aggressive and push it down, the buyers immediately took it back up. So that's where you see that wick happening, right? So even if it does make a move now, I'm not entirely convinced that it's going to be a big move, you know?
Yep, I agree.
How do we get those indicators? Well, it's basically on Atlas. You would have to buy the market data. You would have to, I mean, there's a 14-day free trial. So for free, you could watch like Bitcoin, for example. You could get everything on Bitcoin and other cryptos as well, I think, for free. But man, I'm not entirely convinced you need this yet. So, you know, don't get too excited about these indicators, man. They're not that, at least on a day like today, I haven't really seen the full effect of it. Big Teflon says, I have ATAS. I can't see those indicators. I see.
Probably
the footprints. I just I basically, let me open it up. So what I did was, here was the heat map. So this was the heat map right here. I think I have it widgets. So I have delta divergence is another one. Market pressure, that's the one that I really like. That's this dome market pressure is right there. So it's just in the widgets category, and then you have, like, if you open up chart here, you can have the order flow, dark and light, footprint chart, liquidity map, COT chart, all these things. So that's where I got it from. Maybe you need the latest update because it's yeah, market pressure and delta divergence. I don't see it. It's in the widgets category. So hopefully you can find it. Hey man, well, John, I'm gonna be honest, man. If you weren't here, I would probably, like, you know, have stopped like, cause this price action,
don't
man.
trade, man. This shit, don't trade it, man. Don't trade it.
It's not
Don't
like
take
it's a
anything.
funded account, man. It's just a pro form challenge, man.
Or even we still treated the same, both of them. Let's see. Is it gonna break lows or? This is crazy. This is how people lose their mind. Actually, traders need therapy more than anyone.
Oh, I mean, I even watched, like, this YouTuber go on tilt yesterday. He was like 1 day away from a payout, and then, you know, the market was ranging, right? And then he just got so pissed that he blew it. He blew the whole account 1 day before. He only needed like $150, you know, like when you need.
And he forced the trade. It happened to me before.
Yeah, I mean, it's like your psychology goes out the window. You're gonna try to, like, get that 150. It goes wrong, so you go into the minus. Now you need 300. They go wrong again, and then you're like, oh, now I need to really get out of this, and then you just blow the whole thing. That's why those 150 days, man, I don't even like those, man. I don't like pro firms that
No, it's crazy.
that do that, because it's psychology. It really mind f's you. Your psychology when you need to make a certain amount for a payout. I actually like the consistency now better, because if you have consistency, okay, you just keep smaller profits.
Yeah, that's
fine.
true.
It's fine. Just keep making smaller profits each day. That's fine. You don't need to have one massive day. Well, it is nice if you can get a big move, and then the other days don't. But being consistent is actually nice as well. Just being consistent, grabbing your $300, leave the market, whatever. you know, that somebody's, if you got a bigger account, let's say 150K or something, getting like,
Uh, the profit will be bigger, like $6,000, something like that.
yeah, exactly. Then it's, I mean, if you go for the instant funded as well, right? Sometimes.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you have like really small consistency, but I think there's some cheap ones as well now with the instant funded. I saw one that was like 60% off.
Probably trade the money and we never pay you out.
Well,
It depends, man.
I
It's
mean, futures
risky, man.
firms.
It's risky.
There's only been like one shutdown really until now, which was funding ticks, and I think they eventually like they refunded people and they give them their payouts eventually after it became a huge problem. But other than that, I think there was one instant funded firm, bro. I remember that. It was like fast track funding or something. Fast track.
Yeah, I remember they went down as well.
Yeah, with the Formula One cars, I remember they went down. Yeah, interesting, huh? They were like the first instant funded firm for futures.
Yeah. And they just went bankrupt all of a sudden.
Yeah, the guy was getting like over $1 million a month in, but the expense was higher apparently than that.
He couldn't run it, so it
yeah,
just shuts down.
that was crazy. No, this is not the Fivers account. This is just Fivers is a different platform. I just it would be too crazy right now because with that Fivers platform, I can't do the overlays like I'm doing it right now because that platform will take over the entire window. Anyway, I will have to arrange this differently tomorrow, and hopefully I can get that book map or whatever it's called, heat map. Hopefully I can get that to really view the entire market, because right now, because before it was like on a 10 pip range or something, which was very weird.
Yeah, I couldn't see anything.
Yeah, that was not book map, like that was not like book map. So I need to, wow, the orders, the delta just became extremely positive. Aggressive sellers stepped up. Wow, really aggressive sellers stepped up. But we're not seeing the price move that much, but it is making me very scared that the sellers are not becoming more right now. So
That's a crazy ticket trade. It's middle of nowhere, just
yeah, out of nowhere, they just increased buying suddenly. Yeah, this is not looking good, man. For the sell side of things. The only good thing is that the ask is higher than the bid. And now the sellers are increasing. So it's just gonna stay in a range. Basically, it's just gonna stay in a range. But look at that. Holy smokes. Sellers increased like crazy just now.
yeah.
Now both are going flipping mad. Now it's like just I mean, I don't know what's going on in the markets. This must be algorithms or something trading this range. Like, because think about it, man. Think about this. If suddenly like the buyers increase a lot, is there somebody really sitting there pressing market orders on the sell side to keep it down? Like what is going on, man? If it's not limit orders, then I think it's just there's no way a human can be that quick.
Icebergs.
or are these like big institutions just like pop, 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 pushing market orders?
Yeah, the icebergs.
Like, I don't know, man. Like,
We should take trading back to simplicity, man. It's just too much tools, man. You too focus on, and you get overwhelmed. Trust me. For me, that was the only trade I could see for me safe to take. Other than that, it was just completely noise.
yeah, I'm sorry about that, guys. HFT bots, yeah, maybe. I don't know. I don't think the institutions are using that. I think they have like really highly skilled developers who are like these tech nerds, and they're paid like millions to create like an algorithm that's going to be profitable. And yeah, I think those are like, but I think the big orders are still going to be run by real people, you know, like the senior traders in the banks and stuff. They're going to execute those big orders, but and the hedge funds. Of course, I know what an HFT is. Of course, I do. High frequency trading bot. Yeah. So, John, you giving up?
Yeah.
You giving
No,
up?
man, watching.
You're
Just
still
watching the market.
you're still watching this? Yeah.
I like it. It's interesting.
I mean, it is interesting. I mean, it's just, well, basically what's just happening is like you have a little bit of buyers stepping in. They're becoming aggressive, but then the sellers just, you know, become aggressive as well. So it's just that yo-yo all the time, and it is probably the worst worst day to look at the delta, because it will literally literally it's the worst day. Like it's like literally the worst day to start this. But just looking at it, it is interesting. I will give it that, right? And yeah, that's right, David. Algorithmy is doing so well. I mean, I don't think it's, yeah, it's like high frequency trading bots for sure, but I think they have certain like they have certain things in there. If they're trading in a range, they're probably looking really quickly at the limit orders, the buy orders, and they're just like, you know, meeting those gaps, like buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling, probably like doing something like that, right? They're looking at the algorithms are just looking at the DOM, and they're up like, you know, switching and getting like 50 like one tick moves like all the time, blah 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 blah, buying, selling, and then eventually, like when it's out of the range, they maybe have like another bot that's going to be, once it goes out of the range, it might trade that, you know, I don't know, break, or eventually they will get I'm sure they have like ways of making these things highly profitable, because they,
Yeah, they do.
yeah, of course.
You got those mathematicians, they PhD researchers.
Yeah, of
They
course.
crazy.
Yeah. Yeah, it can, in one candle, it can 1 minute time frame, it can open 1,000 positions. Yeah, for sure, man. Like there's bots like that, but there's also bots probably that, because a human is not as fast with, you know, pressing that button. It's not humanly possible. So they have like tasks for these algorithms to do things that are, you know, humanly not possible. But there is the human touch, which we have, is kind of looking at the overall thing, looking at like, I don't know, the, you know, what Trump is saying, for example, and all that stuff. We can have the complete picture of everything and kind of put it all together, while a bot you would have to code it to, and you can't really code it to think about the whole picture. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, John?
Yep. Yeah, bro, I'm hearing you. It's rejecting VWAP now. Let's see what's happening.
Oh, it's getting
Flaming
a pretty
back.
yeah, it's getting a pretty strong. It's basically 200 aggressive buys against 150. 200 aggressive sells against 150 buys, and now it's kind of getting even again.
It's a fight, man. This is where the psychology gets messed up. You need to
Oh,
detach completely.
Man, I probably I would if I let's say I needed a payout today, right? This was like an account where I only needed $150, bro, to get a payout. And I'm just like looking for that one trade where I could get the quick profit. I would go absolutely nuts. You know? I would be like,
You rather close the screen and just
Yeah.
walk away.
I would go completely nuts. So I really wonder what's gonna happen to certain people because I know their psychology is like even worse than mine. So some people are gonna.
Yeah, I know. I used to be very bad. Now I'm just becoming more patient.
Yeah,
It's just the
you've
more
been
you
very
mature,
patient today. You've been very patient.
the more you mature, you'll just pick your shots and stuff, and just take a loser. If you
Oh.
don't feel the losing, just
Hey,
going
look at the
opposite way.
aggressive sell though. Look at the aggressive sell. It's 230 versus 130 buys right now.
That
The
might be your
delta.
turning. This might be your turning
The
points. You never
delta
know.
is 200 minus 200 right now. Delta is minus 200.
You never know, man. This market just up and down, flip flopping.
Now it's getting absorbed. Uh, 1 minute, 5 minute is bearish, but yeah, I mean, we can't hope that any single candle is gonna be the turning point right now because it's still in this super tiny range for the past like 1 hour or something. But it very well, yeah, very well could. Throughout the day, though, what I've noticed is, especially right now, it's like
Yep.
it is more bearish because, yeah,
I would still think it's bearish,
yeah.
but let's see. When's gonna
Because
turn? That's the thing.
they were willing to sell it down very aggressively before, and now it's not like after that move that the bulls have really stepped in. It's just they're kind of holding on by thread, but it's not like the sellers are willing to make a move either. So
Yeah, it's just difficult.
Yeah.
This is the difference.
yeah, it's just a difficult day, man. Difficult range. That's the FOMC day, man. It's kind of not even worth it that much, to be honest. Oh, but I'm seeing okay. The sellers are still a lot more aggressive than the buyers. 200 minus 230 on the delta right now. We're flipping bearish on pretty much all the time frames. Wow, look at that. It's giving bear signals. It's giving bear signals.
It might break to the downside anytime.
Yeah, now it's really giving some bear signals to delta, but so let's see if this time it actually works, or is it just going to be
hopefully, or it's going back up.
It's screaming bear. But well, there's
see, you get the bias right, but when it's gonna turn, that's the thing.
Oh, and the next candle is green, of course, man. But it could just be just like a little fake hope thing.
Yeah, you never know.
No, the buyers are more aggressive. Yeah, it's like literally that kind of day, man. You get no continuation, no pull through. Thankfully, we're not looking at the heat map anymore because that was driving me.
Because it can go both ways, up or down. You never know. It's just you're at the juncture. You're not too sure what it's doing.
Well, still, the previous candle was closed at minus 269 on the delta. This candle now is positive 49, which is very little.
Look at the volumes.
Yeah, it's not much, but it's increasing to 100 right now, bro. I mean, yeah. You can't even do anything on the analysis side, bro. On this kind of price action. Yeah. But hey, thankfully, like we still have about 20 people here watching us. Probably also frustrated, so at least we're frustrated together.
Trading can be very, very lonely.
Big Teflon, Marcus, are you moving towards ATAs and order flow now? Yes, well, let's see, man. I'm doing the course, so it's good for me to practice, but I don't have necessarily like a set strategy with it yet. So I'm not at that stage with the course. And there are many strategies with cumulative delta, like looking at the divergence, right? And all that stuff. But yeah. I've been doing the course for like 2 weeks now, so in the course they said like it's gonna take you at least like 6 months to a year before you even get profitable. So yeah,
but the mentor gets profitable after you make the payment. He's already profitable.
Oh yeah, he made straight off thousands. But the thing is like yeah, I think I'll get there faster because I think I understand quite a bit already before even doing the course. So it's not like I haven't traded ever in my life. You know what I mean? It's like I understand quite a bit about the market. So it's not like you have to explain everything to me like a 5-year-old or something. Like, oh, this is how you click the buy button and then you buy. The market can also move down. Did you know that? Like, you know what I mean? I don't have to. David is says I'm the master of Delta. Wow. Why don't you come in Discord, man, and talk to us then? Show us what you're seeing on the Delta if you're a master. What's it showing to you that we're not seeing right now? Bro, this was absolutely ridiculous. So the delta is now positive 350. It was minus 269 on the previous candle. So it's literally, I think we're going to be staring at this until for the next 2 hours, and it's not going to do much. So I don't know, man. Let me know, John.
Yeah.
If you want to.
Still in rotation. And it's near the VPOC for the volume profile for the day, so you can't do nothing about it. Just wait. Waiting. It's a waiting game.
100% win. Never, bro. What? I'm self-weighed. I'm for no one. But look at Delta on TradingView. Learn how it works. Absorption. That's what David said. Bro, I think I've talked to David on Instagram actually. Now I remember. So right now, man, it's obviously showing a positive delta, and the next candle. So the delta was a little bit more positive on that previous candle than that red candle. So there are more buyers now than sellers. And the aggressive buyers are also more than sellers right now. So it could actually end up moving higher, but it's not very convincing at the moment.
Well, look at the candles on the 1 hour, I think, or 30 minutes. They're huge, man. Abnormal candles.
Are they? Let me see.
30 minutes. I'm zoomed in, but they're huge, man. Red, green, and then big red.
They are, man, but I think
It could go back up again, like I
yeah,
said.
it looks like
You turn around and continue to go back up. You never know, man. This is the fun of trading. You can never guess.
this is just getting ridiculous now, man. This price action.
And this job, how many blown accounts you just go count on the social media? All in profit. Trust me.
They're all on profit. Yeah, the fake gurus for
Yeah,
sure.
yeah.
Like there's this one guy. All he does is he shows trading view, and he has like the drawn out projection thing where it's like stop
Yeah,
loss
yeah,
and
yeah.
take profit. He's like, caught another 1 to 5 RR today. Look at this. It was so clear. If you didn't see this, buy my course. Like he's doing this every day, and he's not showing any P&L, nothing. He's just showing on.
Oh, I know which guy you're talking about.
He's just showing on trading view is like 1 to 7 RR today. Guys, if you didn't catch
I can
this,
put
man.
the profit loss actual what do you call tool and just say, oh, I caught that much. I caught that much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just basically the
Got
projection.
my own lies.
So
Yeah, what
again,
can I say?
you may have thought that this was gonna push now because the delta was a lot more positive, but now this next candle, we're seeing a lot more, aggressive selling, but it's not a lot. It's like 150, 125, sorry, compared to like 70, 80. But we are seeing, the sellers absorb this little move again. It's like, yeah, it's just a very annoying chop today, which you could look at any tool and we could see that it's very difficult to predict what it's going to do next because it's just up and down. So
Let's see.
oh wait, somebody donated money. I haven't did somebody donate money? Because I can't see that, guys.
I can't see anything.
Oh, okay. Oh, you mean like donating money to the market? No, this is still the same trade from before, man. Don't worry. It's just not doing much, so
Saying around the VWAP here. New York VWAP too. Just hugging it.
ooh, the buyers increased. I mean, everything turned green. Yeah, it's probably time to get out.
Probably a bit long, like I expected. This is going to be an ABC to a bit deeper before they turn around. You never know.
Then
You
again,
speculate.
it's getting absorbed again. It's getting absorbed again.
Yeah, then turns around. This is the thing with this. It's just like
It's just
just
chop.
play with
It's
your
just
mind.
chop. Yeah, it's just you can see the potential for both sides. But yeah, the delta is again minus 44 right now. But it's like, yeah, the next candle can be green again. I mean, this is literally barcode action, and there's probably not going to be anything happening. So David is going a little crazy, man. What you talking about there, man? You do not know what you are. You say I know this. Make me money. So I don't know. I don't know what. Are you talking to me, David? David, is that referring to me? I don't know what you're saying there. Yeah, man, this is just gonna drive me nuts.
You're in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah.
You're in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah. Again, we get some bearish on the delta, which maybe could be an indication of something, but on a day like today, it's probably going to flip around again.
Let's see.
Yeah, it's going to do the exact opposite. Straight away, when it's like a little bear on delta, it will the buyers will just step right up and make it green again. So, oh, they were talking amongst each other, so there was a little beef in the chat. I see now. So, David said that his win rate is 100%, and then Walter Bryan said 100% win rate, and then he kind of like laughing about it, and then if it was 90, I would believe you, but 100, and then David got really angry about that.
Well, give me 55%. I'm happy with it.
Yeah, nobody has 100% win rate. I think David is a bit of a liar, man. He's gonna get so angry now. Let's see if he's still actually in here. Yeah, this is about the time to get out of this cell. Then again, I think when FOMC hits, it's just probably going to shoot straight down, isn't it?
Yes.
This is all just the build up to it. But I'm going to be honest, bro, I'm not going to stay here for another 2 hours watching this.
No, bro, you close it. Shut down, bro. Shut down. I'll go as well. Just leave it, man. Leave it.
Unless any viewer wants to come on, I think we're going to have to call it quits here, man. I'm going to hold this straight, but it's just too crazy. Maybe I'll leave the stream open, but oh no, I want to watch that. I want to watch the
course. You have a course to watch.
Yeah, because if I play it, it's probably, it's not nice to play somebody else's course in the background.
Okay, man, I'll let you go, man. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, maybe tomorrow again, or we'll see, man.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
I'll speak to you later, man. I'll see you, man.
Bye, guys. I'm sorry for the frustrating stream, but the market, doesn't want to give it every day. But yeah, we'll be back tomorrow. So see you guys.
You have a good one, man. See you, man.